Now in front of us we have question 1, third part, exercise 3.4. Solve the following pair of equations, following pair of linear equations with elimination method and substitution method. So first we will do with the elimination method. Elimination method. What are the equations? Equations are 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write this equation as 3x minus 5y equals to 4, and second equation is 9x equals to 2y plus 7, and we can write this equation as 9x minus 2y equals to 7. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now we will make the coefficient same. So multiply first equation, multiply equation 1 by 3 and then subtract from 2. You can subtract 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. So here I am multiplying. So first I write the equation 9x minus 2y equals to 7. After multiplying, this equation is 9x 3 5 is 15y equals to 12. And subtracting, sign will change. This is the now 9 this is 0, so this is 13y equals to minus 12, 7 plus 7 is minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5 by 13. This is the y value. Now put the value of y in first equation or second. Put the value of y in equation 1. That is 3x minus 5 into 5 by 13 equals to 4. So 3x minus plus 25 upon 13 equals to 4. So now this is 3x equals to 4 minus 25 by 13. So this will become 52 minus 25 by 13. When we will subtract this, we will get 27 upon 13. So 3x is equal to 27 upon 13. Now 3 will be here, 27 upon 13 into 3. 3 9 is 27. So 9 by 13. So x value is 9 by 13. Okay. Now by substitution method, substitution method, we have equation 3x minus 5y equals to 4, and this is equation 1, and second equation is 9x minus 2y equals to 7. This is second equation. Now from equation 1 we get x equals to 4 plus 5y upon 3. Now put this value in, put value of x in equation second. We get this value from first equation. That's why we are putting the value in second equation. 9 into 4 plus 5y upon 3 minus 2y equals to 7. 9 4 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So 3 4 ja 12 plus 15y minus 2y equals to 7. 15 minus 2 is 13y equals to 7 minus 12 is 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So y is equals to minus 5 by 13. This is the y value by substitution method. Now put the value of y. Put the value of y in third equation. This is our third equation, that is x is equal to 4 plus 5, y is minus 5 upon 13 upon 3. So here x is equal to 4 by 3 plus 5 multiply minus 5 is minus 25 upon 13. This is 1 by 3. Now x is equal to 39. Okay, this is 52 minus 25. When we will subtract, we will get 27. 27 upon 39. 3 3 ja 9, 27. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So x value is 9 by 13. This is the x value by substitution method. This is the y value by substitution method.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.